Good morning, everyone. Friends, become agribusiness and quality expert in 100 days. Under this, my ongoing episode, today is my 50th episode. It means today, half century of my episodes is going to be over. Friends, today I'm going to talk about Apple. In that Apple, I will talk about 5 major Apple defects which you find when you do the procurement of Apple or when you store the Apple. Friends, this Apple major defects which I am going to talk today are: first is bitter pit, second is water core, third is sunburn, fourth is scab, and fifth is Apple core rot. Friends, I will talk about these defects today. What are the symptoms of these defects? Why these defects occurred? And how to control these defects? All these things are going to cover in this video. So I request you please watch this video till end so you could understand better. Friends, my name is Arun Mehta and you are watching my YouTube channel, Arun Mehta Quality Talk. So first of all, I will talk about Apple bitter pit. Friends, bitter pit is basically a disorder and it is caused when there is a calcium level decrease in the fruit and it is not distributed properly in the tree during the development. The symptoms of bitter pit are usually seen after harvest. You cannot see this before harvest. And the main susceptible varieties of bitter pit are Granny Smith, Jonathan, Honeycrisp, Fuji, and delicious varieties. So these varieties are more susceptible for the bitter pits. Now let's talk about its symptom. The affected fruits have dark spots on the surface about half the centimeter diameter, which occurs on the skin or in the flesh or both. The cells in the spots are dead and turn brown and black. You will find these black spots on the surface of skin. You can see the photograph which I am showing you. And if you cut the fruit inside also, in the flesh also, you will find some spots. Now, how to control this bitter pit? The moderate level of bitter pit could be controlled with the spraying of the tree with calcium chloride or calcium nitrate during the growing season. So this was all about bitter pit. Now let's talk second defect, which is very important, water core. Water core is also a disorder. It's not a disease. And it develops on the tree only and can reduce in store or go to breakdown. When you store the fruit in the cold store, it can disappear also. Water core develops mainly in the mature fruits when the sugar sorbitol is translocated into the fruit faster than it can be absorbed. The area surrounding the core become water soaked or translucent and may appear glassy and hard. Now the question is, can you eat water core apples? Yes, you can eat the water core apple. It does not make the apple unsafe or affect their taste. Water core fruits are very sensitive to CO2 gas. So it behaves very worsely in the CA storage. So when you are doing CA storage of apple, we should not store apple affected with water core. Now the question is how we will find whether that lot is having water core or no. For that, when you are storing apple in the CA, you have to take few samples and cut the fruit. If you find in the lot water core symptoms are there, then you don't store that lot in CA. To prevent water core, harvest apple as soon as fruit reach to the optimum maturity. Foliage spray of calcium also help in controlling the water core. Mild cases like moderate or lower degree cases of water core can automatically disappear in storage. So don't worry about that. If you find water core in your lot which is moderate or lower degree, not very severe, when you will store this water core fruits in the cold store at 2 degree or 0 degree centigrade temperature, within 2-3 weeks or 1 month, it will automatically disappear. So this is good news for you. Now let's talk about third defect, sunburn. Sun scald or sunburn in apple accounts for the yellow or flushed area on the fruit skin due to the direct sun effect. Direct sun damage often following a period of cooler, cloudy weather. This problem develops. It is often associated with poor calcium content in the fruit also. Now, can we eat sunburned apple? Yes, sunburned apple are edible. The damage is mostly cosmetic and you can trim that portion and the entire apple you can eat. Control. Protect harvested fruit from direct sunlight. This is the only method. For that, you can use fruit canopy, or you can also schedule your irrigations to control sunburn. So this was all about sunburn. Now let's talk about fourth defect, which is very major defect and a very common defect of apple scab. Friends, apple scab is caused by a fungus. It's not a bacterial problem. It's a fungal disease. Apple scab is caused by the fungus and is serious disease of apple and spread quickly and easily. So when there is a apple scab in one tree, it can spread to other tree very fast. So generally you will first notice it in early symptoms when rain, wind and cool temperature spread the fungal spores. 18 to 24 degrees centigrade temperature with high humidity is suitable for its spread. Once infected tree can continually reinfect themselves and other neighboring trees in that orchard. So to controlling the scab at proper stage is very, very important. And the symptom of scab is, you will find that on the surface of the apple, you will find water-soaked area that rapidly develop into velvety green to olive brown lesions. You can see the photograph which I am showing in this video, how the scab looks like. You can find scab spots, smaller spots, one spot or multiple spots on the surface. Now, how to control the scab? The main control of scab is a fungicidal spray. Fungicide regularly on emerging leaves and developing fruits to prevent apple scab is very important. Choose scab resistance varieties of apple, and also you have to prune your apple tree time to time, so it should not spread in an entire orchard or an entire fruits. So this was all about scab. Now let's talk about fifth and last apple defect which I am going to discuss today is apple core rot. This is very important defect. Sometimes when you purchase apple, outside fruit looks very good. There is no symptom outside that this apple can be bad from inside. But when you cut the apple into two halves, you will find inside the core is totally brown and rotten. So this defect is called apple core rot. Core rots are basically caused by the various fungus. The most susceptible cultivars of apple core rots are delicious varieties, golden delicious, which all have an open sinus extending from the calyx into the core region. In the core region, the fungi responsible for the rot remains and start developing till fruit start ripening and reach to the maturity level. Increased levels of total soluble sugars at the maturity encourage the activity of core rot fungi. Affected immature fruit develop early color. When such fruits are cut into two halves, the central core of these fruits show fungal growth. Now, what is the control of this apple core rot? In order to curb the incidence of this core rot problem, scientists have suggested that a spray of Mancozeb 600 gram or Gineb 600 gram per 200 liter of water at the pink bud stage is useful, these scientists say. So friends, today I talked about the 5 major apple defects which you generally found when you do the procurement of apples. Today I talked about the bitter pit, water core, sunburn, scab, and apple core rot. So friends, if you like my video, please do not forget to press the like button. Tomorrow I will bring video on some other topic. Till then, be happy, keep smiling, and clean your area and your surrounding and keep environmental clean. And till then, Namaskar, Jai Hind.